It's alright, Sealy. Sealy, you're okay. You're just, oh, okay. You're okay. I'm right here with you. I'm right here. I know you're panicky. It's okay. It's alright. You're okay, baby. You're alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Shh. Mama's right here. I know. You're very confused. You're okay. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Mama's gonna stay right here with you. It's alright. It's alright. It's okay. Got your blankie. Got your pillow. Why don't you close your eyes? You don't even have a cast on yet. You don't even have a cast on. It's okay. It's alright. Do you hear that? So you can go home maybe at 2 o'clock. Got about another hour and 15 minutes. Well, 45 minutes. It's alright. I know, you're okay. Mama's right here. Mama's right here. Mama's right here. I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you, baby. I know. Just try to relax. I'm right here. And Mama's right here. Alright, I'm going to move so you can put your head in my lap. It's okay.